You can make money blogging online. Blogging is now a billion-dollar industry. Many people are making small fortunes with their blogs. While some people do it part-time to earn an extra few $100s per week, there are many others that earn thousands per month doing it in their spare time. More people are working from home than ever before, and many of them are setting up blogs to create a stream of ongoing income. Blogging is the one thing that anyone can easily do. You don't have to be good with computers, and you don't even need to know how to write very well. If you don't want to write, you'll learn the underground secret that will show you how to run your blog on autopilot without even writing content. Once you learn a few simple secrets, you can have traffic flowing into your blogs to either promote your own products, or you can direct your truckload of traffic to affiliate programs and create a passive income. Many blogs fail because they don't know these secrets, but you can learn them right now. For your step-by-step blueprint, just click on the link below.